My name is Mathayel Altaffaq, and I am the lead engineer at the control room for BEEAH Tandeef, the waste collection and city cleaning business of BEEAH Group. I am responsible for a range of critical tasks, which includes monitoring our waste management and fleet tracking systems. The fleet tracking system is used to manage and optimize fleet operations. It enables to monitor our vehicles in real time as they collect waste, giving us insights into the vehicle's idling and speed, geofencing utilization for boundary control, and maintenance status. We also use the system to generate detailed reports for analysis. One of our most significant achievements is our fleet tracking policy, which reduced idling time and incidents by 98% through various guidelines that enhance and ensure the overall safety of our fleet operations. I also spearheaded the smart bracelets, which are worn by our street cleaning crew to boost safety and efficiency. The bracelet provides us with real-time data on our employees' blood pressure, body temperature, and location. It also has an SOS alert feature that can be used to trigger an alert in the event of an emergency. I am grateful to get the opportunity to go and make an impact at BEEAH.